This video M6 is going to help with input-output. First thing you need to know is that we have a new way of talking and writing math equations. Since they like to use x and y for variables, the math people needed a way to have x the variable not get confused with x the time sign. So they just removed the time sign and shoved the variable against the number. So when you see something like this, 5x, that really means 5 times x. And 3k would mean 3 times k. So really quickly, I just want you to say what these mean. 7x would mean 7 times x. 10g would be 10 times g. 8y is 8 times y. 9p is 9 times p. 6t is 6 times t. 4w, 4 times w. And 3m is 3 times m. Now, here's why we need to write them this way. So we have an equation. This is an equation for a line, and in 5th grade you'll be plotting the points on the line, and in 6th grade plotting the points on the line. So here we have x and y. This is considered our input and our output. So we're going to take this x and bring it up here and put it in the place of x. So remember that 4x really meant 4 times x. So 4 times x now really means 4 times 1. So y would equal 4. We're going to take the 5 and put in here now. So now we have 4 times 5, that would be 20. Take the 10 and put in there. 4 times 10 would be 40. 2 times 4, 8. And finally 7 times 4, 28. Let's try a different one out. Y equals x plus 8. Okay. If the x is by itself, you just put the number in for it. It's sort of like saying it's 1x. So first off, we're just going to take it and put a 1 in there. So if x is now 1, 1 plus 8 equals 9. We put the 5 in, 5 plus 8. Put a 10 in, 10 plus 8. Take the 2, put it in, 2 plus 8. Take the 7 and put it in, 7 plus 8 equals 15. Let's step it up just a little bit. Y equals 2x plus 1. So this time we're going to have to do some multiplying, and then we're going to have to add on second. So the 1 is coming in here. So now we have 2 times 1, that's 2, and then we add our 1 on. That would get us to 3. Put the 5 in. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Put the 10 in. 10 times 2 is 20, plus 1 more, 21. Put a 2 in. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Try the 7. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Okay, going to move ahead. The one may be a little bit tougher or easier. I don't know. Just kind of depends on how which things you like to multiply by. If I put a 1 in there, that really means 10 times 1, which is 10. Minus 1 gets me to a 9. 5 times 10 is 50 minus 1. 10 times 10 is 100 minus 1. 2 times 10 is 20 minus 1. And 7 times 10 is 70 minus 1.